welcome to a tutorial. Today we're just going to be having a look at the file size error. Here we go, that you get in WordPress when you're trying to upload a theme. So first of all, come into Cpanel and then you're looking for the multi-PHP any editor under software, and then all you do is come into that, choose your website address, and then come down to the bottom and there's max file size, and change that to the file size that covers your theme size and apply it, and then that'll apply the changes. There we go, they've been successfully applied. And then if we just reload the page, it might have expired, so we'll reload via the URL and then add the new theme and then upload it, and let's try again with the same theme that we just tried before. Themify Stack, which is quite a good theme by the looks of it. So there we go, it seems to have worked, it's installed successfully, and if we activate it, it looks like it's working. Okay, that's it. Thanks very much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks, bye.